to my channel, and thank you for joining us on another episode of Prime Math Zoom. Today we will be doing some problem solving with fractions. In other words, what we'll be doing is we'll be sharing sets of things which will represent wholes, and also wholes we'll be sharing them equally among persons, or equally based on how the item is set up. So let us start with this one. Miss Green bought a pack of biscuits to share between her two children. How many will each child get? So here we have the cookies that came from the snack that she bought. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, so there are 12 cookies that came from the snack bag. And we want to give Rabbit and Teddy equal amount. Now, how could we go about doing this? Yes, first we could give one to one, one to the next until we're finished. So let us try that and see if it will work. If it is that we're talking about two persons though, and we're sharing the cookies among two persons, that means we'll be doing what? Yes, we will be having the number of cookies for these two persons. So when we're sharing among or between two persons, we're sharing in half. So let's go right ahead. 1 for Rabbit, 1 for Teddy. 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 1 for Rabbit, and then 1 for Teddy. So let's go ahead and see how many each child got. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for Rabbit. Let's see if Teddy got the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for Teddy. Yes, they got the same amount. So we can safely say that the cookies were shared in half for both children. So let's move right ahead to our second task. Daddy cooked 10 dumplings, and these dumplings are to be shared equally among his 3 children. How many will each child get? How could we share these dumplings equally? Right, we could share them by taking out 1 for each to see where it goes. So 1 for Rabbit, 1 for Ellie, 1 for Monkey. We have some more, so we say 1 for Rabbit, 1 for Ellie, 1 for Monkey. We have some more still. 1 for Rabbit, 1 for Ellie, 1 for Monkey. But look, we have only 1 left. How could we share this one equally for the 3 children? Yes, we could cut it. We cut it in 3 parts. So already each child got 1, 2, 3 dumplings. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we need to share up this 1 dumpling so everybody get the same amount, because we could not just give this to Rabbit, because he would have 4 and everyone else would have 3. So it would not be shared equally like Daddy intended. So we have to cut this dumpling in 3 parts. Alright, so I'm trying to cut these as even as possible so that no child is grumbling. So here I gave Rabbit 1, Ellie 1, and Monkey piece. So we have pieces, each child got 1 piece. So we can say then that each child got 1, 2, 3 holes of dumpling, and we shared one dumpling in 3 parts. So each child would have gotten what? 1 out of 3 parts. Do you remember how we write that? Yes. So the denominator shows how many parts? 3 parts. And the numerator shows how many parts each person got, which is 1. So what we can say here is that the dumplings, the 10 dumplings that Daddy cooked, were shared equally among the 3 children by giving each child 3 dumplings and 1/3 of another dumpling. So each child got 3 and 1/3 dumplings. All right, so let us move on to our third item. So Martin got $1,300 or $1,300 to share for himself and his 3 brothers. How can it be shared equally? First, we have to think about how many persons it must be shared among. It must be shared among Martin, brother 1, brother 2, brother 3. So now if we have 4 persons to share it among, that means the money must be shared in quarters. So this is the $1,300. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $1,300. And this is to be shared among the 3 brothers. If we're doing equal sharing, we can do it like we did the other examples. So we're going to give each brother $100 until the money is exhausted. So 1 for Martin, for brother 1, brother 2, brother 3. Another 1 for Martin. Okay, another 1 for Martin, because we still have some more money left. Ooh, we just have 1 more money. We have $100 remaining. So that means we could not just simply give this to Martin. We have to break this into smaller notes or coins so that each person can get. So if we have $100, how can we break this into notes or coins? Yes, we could break it in two $50. But if we have two $50, would each person be able to get? No. So we could break it into 5 $20. So let's try that. All right, so we have the 5 $20 here. Let's give Martin 1 and then 1 to each of Martin's brother. And we have 1 left. Can we just go ahead and give this to Martin? Because he'll have way more than the others. So no, we could not do that. What we have to do further is break this down further. So the other coin that we could break this into would be what? Yes, 2 $10. But if we have 2 $10, would each person get and it would be equal? No, because these 2 brothers would not get any. So we have to break them further. What could we break them in? 1 $10 can be shared broken into 2 $5 and the other into 2 $5. So here we would have 4 $5. Let's see if that will work. Okay, so here are our $5. This would represent 1 $10 and this would represent another $10. So let's see if we can share it among the 4 brothers. So Martin, brother 1, brother 2, brother 3. Whoa, we have no money remaining. So there we would have shared the $1,300 equally among the 4 brothers. Let's check to see what 1/4 would represent. $300, 20, $325. So 1/4 is equivalent to $325. Let's check to see if Ellie has the same amount. 1, 2, $325. Yes, Ellie has the same amount. Let's check for monkey. 1, 2, 3, $25. $325. Let's check for Martin. 1, 2, 3, 25. $325. So it is safe to say that $1,300 broken in quarters will allow one person to have $325. I just want to thank you guys again for tuning in to my channel. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.